next to me. All your troubles up and leave. Ease my mind and set me free. Come on, come on. I've been watching you, girl. Way you move, got the room on fire. Oh yeah, rocking my world. Wanna take you home with me, but I ain't letting you go. Home with the boy who don't deserve you. Oh yeah, baby, don't say no. I wanna take you home with me. You should never be lonely. You're the best that I've ever seen. I wanna take you back to my place. You can do your dance on the kitchen floor. Wanna hear your moves knocking down that hallway. Right on through that bedroom door. I wanna lay you down next to me, and I wanna ease your mind, maybe set you free. Can't you see? I wanna take you home with me. Though my time is right, 2 a.m. and the bar is closing. Are we saying goodbye, or are you coming home with me? You should never be lonely. You're the best that I've ever seen. I wanna take you back to my place. You can do your dance on the kitchen floor. Wanna hear your moves knocking down that hallway. Right on through that bedroom door. I wanna lay you down next to me, and I wanna ease your mind, maybe set you free. Can't you see? I wanna take you home with me. Lay your body next to me. All your troubles up and leave. Lay your body next to me. All your troubles up and leave. Ease my mind and set me free. Come on, come on. Lay your body next to me. All your troubles up and leave. Ease my mind and set me free. Come on, come on. Maybe stay with me tonight. Hug and squeeze and hold me tight. Kiss your face in morning light. Come on, come on. I wanna take you back to my place. You can do your dance on the kitchen floor. Wanna hear your moves knocking down that hallway. Right on through that bedroom door. I wanna lay you down next to me, and I wanna ease your mind, maybe set you free. Can't you see? I wanna take you home with me. Lay your body next to me. All your troubles up and leave. Ease my mind and set me free. Come on, come on.
Let's learn Take You Home. It's choreographed by Junior Willis. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going all the way around doing 4 walls of the dance so you can dance this super fun dance on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Take You Home. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to scuff our left heel forward, and you're going to bring your left knee up into a hitch. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, and we're going to do a counterclockwise hip roll. So we're going to come around from left to right, and as you come back onto the left, you're going to flick your right foot back and behind your left. And when you do that, you can also like look over your shoulder. We're now going to do a side triple. So we're going to step our right foot to the side, left together, right side. We're now going to rock our left foot back behind our right, recover onto your right foot, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. We're scuffing with our left foot, so weight is on our right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do heel switches. So we're going to take our right heel, place it forward, step our right next to our left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward, step your right next to your left, and touch your left toe back. We're now going to scuff our left foot forward and hitch your knee up, and then step down on your left foot, still facing 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right, and we're going to do a quarter pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock, recover, quarter. So you're starting with that right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to place our right heel forward. You're now going to flick your right foot out and to the right, slightly behind. You're now going to repeat that. So you're going to place your right heel forward, flick your right foot out to the side. We're now going to stomp forward, stepping forward, right, step forward, left, step forward, right. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto that right, and you're going to do 2 steps back, left, right. And some styling on that. When you do your rock recover, you do your walks back, you can do like come here hands. So you can kind of have palms up and bring it like you're bending your fingers to tell somebody like come here, because it does like say, I want to take you home with me. So on some of those parts, you may want to do like come here hands. So let's try that part with some counts. Weight is on our left foot. You're doing your heel flick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, back, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we are going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to scuff your left heel, hit your left knee up. We're now going to do a side rock cross. So we're going to step that left foot to the left side, rocking to the side, recover on your right, cross your left over your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the side, and as we do that, we're going to sway our hips right, and as we come back to the left, you're going to make a quarter turn, sitting back on that left foot, and now you're going to do a right shuffle forward, right together, right, end of dance. What I like to do when I do that sway, I kind of like hook my foot slightly, so then I know that I'm going forward with my right. If it works for you, feel free to try it. So now let's do that last section. We just ended with our back. We're rocking back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. We're going to do our scuff, hitch, step. Scuff, hitch, step, hip roll, flick, side triple, rock, quarter, recover. Heel step, heel step, heel step, tap, back, scuff, hitch, step, step, quarter, pivot. Heel flick, stomp, 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 left, rock, recover, walk, back, back, rock, back, scuff, hitch, side, rock, cross, sway, quarter, turn, right, triple, forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Scuff, hitch, step, roll, flick, side triple, rock, quarter, recover. Heel step, heel step, tap, back, scuff, hitch, step, step, quarter, pivot. Heel flick, stomp, 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 left, rock, recover, walk back, back, rock, back, stuff, hitch, side, rock, cross, sway, quarter turn, triple forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance for Take You Home. I hope this helps you learn this really fun dance. It's a favorite of mine, so I hope it becomes a favorite of yours. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.